Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. This is my first video of 2025. I stepped out for a minute, but I'm back, and today I'm going to be doing the Afro twist using the Marley hair. I think some people call it the Island twist. I'm not sure, but that's the style that I'll be trying to complete today, and I'll be using this hair right here. um, and I'm going to add some curls to it. So this is the hair that I'll be using to add the curls to it. So y'all join me as I do my hair, attempt to do my hair. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Before I start putting the hair in my head, I make sure I wash the hair. This is the shampoo that I use, the clarifying shampoo, so that the hair can hold its shape. But I didn't have a lot of that, so I had to end up using the cream of nature. And so once I'm done with that, I'll put the hair out on the balcony to dry. Okay, so now that the hair is out there drying, I washed my hair and I have some leave-in conditioner, but I'm also going to grease my scalp, and this is what I use to grease my scalp. I'm old school, so I still grease my scalp. And I also use this here on my edges. I've been using it for about 5 months and it seems to work perfectly on my edges. So if you guys want to try it, here it is. See if it'll work for you, but it's doing wonders for me. So we're going to continue on with the Island Twist. Okay, y'all. So I'm finished with everything except for the last two. Um, so I'm going to show y'all how I add the curly pieces in. Okay, so since I need this in here, I take this in and I wrap it around there, and I just, leave it clipped in like that. And then I just take the hair that I'm using, the Afro twist hair, and I just get ready to braid. Wish I didn't braid so tight, but I do. And when you think it's down far enough, you just split that into two. Grab it. And just start to twist. And I'm using this to help with the twist. And I just add the hair wherever I want to. Some don't even have the curly hair on it because I just chose to be lazy and not put it in on that part. So it's wherever you want to add it on. No certain way to do it. And let me try to spin around real quick to show you guys how the back looks, so I can even see how the back look myself. So here we go. I'm sitting on the floor, so hope I didn't go off camera. Okay, so I just braided, not braided, twisted all the way down to the end. And I'm not dipping mine because I kind of like that little rugged end, you know, where it looked a little, damn, you could have went a little further. I kind of like that look with the two strand twist, if that's what you want to call it. I told you I wasn't sure what you're supposed to call these island twists, um, afro twists. I know that is what was on the package of hair. So I just leave it like this here and cut a little piece of the end because I don't want it to look that rugged where I ain't gonna cut the end of it. And so then I just go back and unwind that little piece of hair and put it over here. I don't know what's up with this one. Make sure I lay that down correctly. So I'm just gonna finish up these last two and come back and show y'all how it looks. So we have made it to the end of this video, and I am going to just comb my baby hair down and take off this shirt, and I am going to come back and show you guys the finished hairdo. But thank you for joining me, and I hope y'all subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.